Everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. And welcome back to week 2 of July 2020 of my Mini Kit Monday. I did a reveal of all my page kits for the month of July, and I'm choosing to show this one today. It is a photo of my daughter when we were on our cruise. Look how beautiful that water is. I absolutely love it. So I felt that the anchor was a little overkill since the paper had the anchor on it and her shirt had the anchor. So I decided not to use that 3x4 card. Now I think I trimmed this down to about 4 inches, and the striped paper, of course, it's a Vicky Bouton strip, and then this scallop is from the 12 by 12 sticker sheet from Echo Park, which is full of pirate theme. And to be honest, I forgot what the name of it is called. I have put everything away, but it's the one with all the pirates. And you'll be able to see the sticker sheet here in just a bit. All right, I'm still thinking about that anchor, but it is not going to stay. I wanted to pull everything out that I had put inside that page protector that I wanted to put on this page because my goal is to use most of it up. That way I don't have to put any of it away. That's kind of my thoughts anyway. That says going places. And the wood veneer, the longer one says things about me, and the other one, the ones underneath says brave and wild. There's that sticker sheet. I do like those little banners. I'm going to put them here on the left side. And I'm trying to find, it needs one more. So I end up doing the red one that says adventure. And I put that with it as well. And one thing that I don't show that is going to be on the final page is you see those red Boulevard hearts. I also have some navy ones, and I get those. And I put a big blue navy heart above those banners there. And so far, I am liking everything there. It has a little potty person of a girl, and it's pretty much going to be exactly where it is. I need to start gluing everything down. I do pull these. I absolutely love this idea because I thought it looked a little bare and was wanting to use as many of these for this banner as I could. So I didn't want any that had skulls and crossbones. It just wasn't, it didn't really fit the mood and the feel of this page that I was looking for. I wanted it to be very nautical. And I feel like everything there was very nautical. And like I said, I pulled out those blue hearts. I put a navy heart on that red banner that's up there at the upper right. So go ahead and glue everything down. Now, one thing you'll see here in a bit is there is a frame that's red. And I wish that I had found it. I don't think it really goes with the red with everything else, but I might have used it. It was kind of hidden behind something and I didn't get it used up. So I'll have to put that away and use it for a layout for another day. You'll see it here. So that says the fun never stops, and I'm going to put the little potty person there to represent my daughter. This was her first cruise. She was, oh goodness. So this was, well, for one thing, when I looked up the year that we went and found it was 8 years ago, I was just floored that it was that long ago. I think she was 19. And she was so excited because she could gamble on the ship. I should have something about that, but so she had money set aside that she was going to gamble, and I gambled a little bit. And and my philosophy is I give myself a budget, and once that money is gone, it's gone, and I don't go back to the casino. It's hard to go in the casino because that is one place that they do allow smoking. And I don't like that. And I really do miss cruising. I've been on one other cruise since this one, um, but with the way cruising is right now, I know eventually it'll get back, but it'll be a while. All right, I know my camera's going to go in and out of focus here, and I do apologize. It's just totally freaking it. It can't find anything to focus on. So just bear with it for just a moment. This is a huge, the brad's not that big, but those little prawns were ginormous. It says be epic. It's kind of half blue, half white. And I'm going to work on my title. Very simple. It's just going to say Cayman Island, but let me ask, if you'll be honest with me, we were in Grand Cayman. I didn't even think about exactly where we were. I could have titled it Grand Cayman, or I could title it Cayman Islands with an S at the end, but I didn't. I only did Cayman Island. Now, what would you do? Would you just leave it alone? Would you add the S? Just curious what your thoughts are. Anyway, the alpha is from Freckle Fawn. I've had them for a number of years. They're made out of vellum, and they're different colors. There's orange and red and blue and yellow. And so the colors all go. And if I had it my way, I wish they were all just one color, but that's not the way it worked out. And I have to say, so each letter came on a rectangle. And I don't like the rectangles overlapping each other. You can kind of see a line. It could be dust or cat hair, if just because I have so many cats. So I decided to trim on both sides of the letters to make each of those little rectangles even smaller. Because I really wanted the letters closer together. So that's why I did that. And let's see what else I can tell you. The stickers that I put by the ship, there's one that says sunshine. One says live, love, explore. I already told you about going places. And then the last one is enjoy the ride. And that little brown heart is actually made from cork. And I think that I had cut that out from a die that I have because it's pretty thin. The cork is pretty thin, and I remember cutting out a whole bunch of things with cork years ago. But I don't know why there's only one heart left. So that's what's kind of crazy. I'm going to pull out my other alpha here in just a minute. I'm going to put the year, and I had to go look up. Oh, there's that frame I was talking about. But anyway, I had to look up the year on my phone to find out it was 2012. Once again, I'm shocked. Just doesn't seem that long ago. Now, the banner up at the top, I am going to do some hand stitching. I promise I'm not going to make you watch me do the whole thing, but just a little bit of it. So I punched the holes, and the little thick foam underneath it was from some packaging that I've had from years ago. I don't even know where I got it. This is where I keep all my floss. Do you guys have this? This was the thing back in the day. I have probably had that, oh gosh, since the 80s, early 80s at that, because I was cross stitching before I got married, and I got married in 83. So yeah. Anyway, I promise I won't make you watch me do the whole thing, but this is pretty much how I do it. I use tapestry needles. It has a blunt end. So if I happen to hit my finger, it's not going to pierce the skin. I probably got them at Hobby Lobby or at Walmart. And I just tack it down with some washi, and then in between the banners, I am going to put these little blue dots. Now I got these at the Dollar Tree, and I need to put some glue behind them because now that I've put them in the page protector, they've kind of shifted. So I'll have to remember that these little dots, I'm going to have to put some glue. So I put the red heart on the blue, and like I said, I do put a blue one on the red, but I don't show you that. Anyway, I think I'm about done here, guys. make sure you check out the other ladies that are